Okay, just a quick little video here to show you the WiresX system. We have the WiresX node, which I bought here, the HRI 200. Costs about $110 brand new. It got USB from the back of it, connects USB to my computer, and then the data port connects up to, I've got it connected to a FTM 400. You can also connect it to a 100 and a couple of other different radios as well. You reset this radio by pushing a keystroke and then turning it on. You'll notice here it has the HRI 200 code here, which means 200 is controlling all the functions of the radio. So I go over here on my computer and I load the software from Yaesu, and in here it comes up with all the different rooms. Rooms are down here, and nodes that we can connect to are located up here. I've got this set right now on an analog mode. If you'll notice up here, it shows analog. So you can actually use any kind of radio to talk on it. It's set right now on 146.55 megahertz. So I have a simple little Bofang radio here. I know the colors are kind of weird, but the Bofang radio is set on 146.55, and so I can come in here and connect room. We'll go down here and connect to the all Japan CQ room. Checked, and then go and click connect, and notice that there's a ton of people in this room. 213 folks in the room, and if anybody talks here, then it'll be transmitted on FM, straight regular FM, over the radio. Then all you have to do here is talk back on that frequency, and you'll be talking into the room, which is actually connected to several repeaters and nodes in Japan. So kind of handy. It's really real easy. There's also different functions that you can send by DTMF codes. If you have a second 400, I've got a 400 in my car, you can use it to actually search and access the different nodes in the different rooms with using the touch screen. But if on the analog setup like I have here, then you can actually use DTMF codes. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect from that. You heard little tones there. This one is the America link, and its number is 21080. So I'm going to use the DTMF codes here to do that. So I've got to push. Well, I may not be able to do that with my one hand. 21080, and you'll notice that it clicked on and connected. So now it's connected, and if anybody talks on here, then we can hear it on the FM channel as well. It's always when you want someone to talk, they decide not to talk. But so really easy to do. This allows anyone with any FM radio, even a little Bofang radio, to talk on the WiresX network. They can talk, everybody else can talk into FM or digital, doesn't really matter. This one's set up to transmit in FM so that anyone can use it, and yeah, that's how it works. W5CWT.
K7LW, K7LW, N7KMJ on warning 147 hot.
So there was station calling on the what they call America Link room. See if anybody responds to him there. So I believe that's going to be a Scottish station. Let's see if he comes back here and catch a QSO. Yeah, so it's 2E0 Bravo Mike Papa that is talking there. 2 Echo 0 BMP. I believe, like I said, that's either going to be, oh, that's Northern Ireland, or I think it's Scotland. Anyway, you can talk to him using just a regular Bofang radio. linked up through the internet through the WiresX digital network. So don't have to have any special radio as long as you've got a local node set up in analog mode. Then anyone can use an FM, typical standard simple FM radio, and talk across the world with WiresX.